Use the graph of y equals negative 1/2 x plus 1 to solve the given equation. So the equation that we're given is negative 1/2 x plus 1 equals negative 1. And instead of adding or subtracting 1 from both sides and then multiplying both sides by negative 2, we want to do this by looking at the graph that we're given and seeing what the graph can tell us about what the solution is to this equation. Well, if you look, this red line here is the graph of this equation, y equals negative 1/2 x plus 1. Okay? And here in our given equation that we want to solve, the only difference between this equation and the one up here with the y in it, that instead of y, we have negative 1. So we can look on this graph here and see, where does y equal negative 1? Well, here, right here at this point is where y equals negative 1. So we want to look and see, well, what's the x value when y equals negative 1? Because that will tell us what the solution is to this equation right here. It will tell us what x value put in here would give us negative 1. So here's the y equals negative 1, and we look up to see where we are on the x-axis at that point. Well, here's 1, 2, 3, 4. At that point, we're at 4 on the x-axis. So the solution to this equation, which we find by using this graph, is that x equals 4.